Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 1 hands-on exercise assessment. Basically this is the second chapter of Excel section of my Lab course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do your assignment, if you want me to do your complete course, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID given in the description of this video. You can help me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences or writing assignments as well. So I will be doing this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. But if you want me to hire for your complete course including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments or Access assignments, you can contact me on WhatsApp or email that is showing at the bottom of the screen. So let's start this assignment and solve this assignment step by step. Title of the assignment is Exp19 Excel chapter 1 hands-on exercise OKOS. That is the OKOS system, OKOS system. So at start of the instruction file you can see the project description. So I think you have nothing to do with the project description, but you can read it to get an idea about the assignment. Just have a reading to this project description and we will move to step number 1 because main part of the assignment is starting from the step 1. So in step 1 it is saying that start Excel, download and open the file named Exp19 Excel chapter 1 hands-on exercise assessment OKOS. So basically we are supposed to download this Excel workbook and I have already downloaded this Excel workbook and I have shown you this is the file where we are supposed to apply all these instruction steps to get this assignment done. And you can download this from your My IT Lab dashboard. When you will download it, your name will be added to that file. So step number 1 is just about downloading the Excel file. That is why we will move to step number 2. So step number 2 is find all the occurrences of amount and replace with the price. So we are supposed to replace the amount with price. So we will simply go to the Excel workbook and click on the Home tab and click on Find and select Replace. So we are supposed to replace amount, replace with price. And click on all done. We made 2 replacement. So we have made this one and close it. This is all about step number 2. So now let's move to step number 3 because we are done with step number 2. So step number 3 is you want to use the autofill to enter a series of codes representing the year 2021, the month 09 and a number. Enter 2021, 09 and 100 in cell B6 and use the autofill to complete the sequence of the range B7, B11. Use the fill handle and the autofill option to fill the series. So basically we are supposed to complete a series in column B starting from cell B6. So first one is 2021. Where is B6? This is B5, this is B6. This is B6. We are supposed to type 2021 dash 09-100. So we have put this value there. Now we are supposed to complete a series, and we will make this fill series. And this is what is required in step number 3. So we have completed step number 3 as well. So now let's move to next step, that's step number 4. So step number 4 is the OKOS workbook contains spelling error that needs to be corrected. Use Excel to check and correct the spelling errors in the workbook. So basically we are supposed to correct the spelling in the worksheet. So we will go to the worksheet and click on this review tab, and you can see the spelling in the proofing. So click on this. Do you want to continue checking this beginning of the sheet? Yes. So change spell check complete, you are good to go. So we have completed the spelling check. So that is required in step number 4. So we will move to the next step now. So next step is the worksheet contains the cost and the retail prices. You want to calculate the amount of markup. So in cell D6, enter a formula to calculate the markup amount, which is the difference between the retail price and the cost. Copy the formula to the range D7 up to D11. So basically we are supposed to calculate the markup amount in cell So inside D6 we are supposed to calculate the markup amount, and this markup amount is the difference between the retail price and the cost. So let me move to D6. This is D6 and we are supposed to calculate the markup amount here, and this markup amount is the difference between the retail price and the cost. Retail price and the cost. So I will simply type an equal sign and I will click E6, that is the retail price, minus the cost, that is C6. So we will get the markup amount here. And now we are supposed to copy this formula down to the column D to get the other values. I will simply use the fill handler to get the other values. Or you can copy this formula from here and select this one and go to the paste option and click the formulas. So click escape button. So that is what required in step number 5. So we have completed 5 steps so far. I am doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, please contact me and I will do this assignment for you. So let's do step number 7 now. Total steps in this assignment are 22 and we are doing step number 7 now. So step number 7 is the profit margin is the ratio. Profit margin is the ratio of the net profit as percentage of revenue. The formula first calculates the net profit between the sales price and the cost and divides that by the sales price. In cell H6, enter a formula to calculate the profit margin. Copy the formula to the range H7 up to H11. So basically we are supposed to calculate the profit margin in cell H6, and this profit margin will be the sales price minus cost divided by the sales price. This is the formula that we will use to calculate the profit margin in cell H6. So we can do this by easily going to the worksheet in cell H6, and we will enter this formula to calculate this profit margin. So here is H6, and we are supposed to calculate the profit margin, and profit margin is sales price minus cost. So sales price is, sorry, we missed step number 6. We didn't calculate the sales price. Let me calculate the sales price first. So step number 6 is we are supposed to calculate the sales price. In cell G6, calculate the sales price. Copy the formula down to the range G7 minus G11. So sales price will be the retail price minus percent off multiplied by the sales price, or retail price multiplied by 1 minus percent off. So we will calculate the sales price, that will be retail price multiplied by 1 minus percent off. So this is the sales price that we will get by using the formula, that is sales price is equal to retail price, multiply this by 1 minus percent off. So you can see that sales retail price multiply this by 1 minus percent off, and percent off is F6. So we will simply use the autofill enter to get the other values in the sales price column. Now we are supposed to calculate the profit margin. That is next step, that is step number 7. This one. So now we are doing step number 7, and that profit margin is sales price minus cost divided by the sales price. So we will simply type sales price minus cost divided by sales price. So we will get the percent profit margin. So this is the sales price minus C6, that is the cost, divided by sales price, that is G6. So we have completed both sales price and the profit margin in step number 6 and 7. So we have completed 6 steps so far, 7 steps so far, and now we're going to do next step, that is step number 8. So I am doing this assignment step by step, so that you can get your assignment done by watching this video. So let's do step number 8 now. So it is saying that the filling cabinets are out of stock. Therefore, you should remove that product from the list of the product or sale. Delete row 8 that contains the filling cabinet data. So this is the filling cabinet data, and this product is out of stock. So we don't need to put this in the record because this is out of stock. So we are supposed to delete this from the data. So we will simply select this one, and we will click delete, and this filling cabinet data will be deleted from the record. This is what is required in step number 8. So next one is step number 9. You want to insert a row to display the heading furniture above the furniture product. So we are supposed to insert a new row, that is row 8, insert a new row 8 and type furniture in cell A8. But the word furniture in cell A8, bold the word furniture in cell A8. So basically we are supposed to insert a new row 8. You can see that I have inserted a new row and this new row is 8 now, and we are supposed to type the word furniture in A8 and we will bold this word. So I will simply type furniture here. And I will simply bold this one. So you can see a new row, that is row 8 with the word furniture. So that is what required in step number 9. So let's move to next step, that is step number 10. Step number 10, it is saying that column A is too narrow for the product names. You want to increase the width. It is saying that column A is too narrow. I have already increased, but it is saying that it is too narrow and we are supposed to increase the width so that these names can be easily read. So it is saying that increase the width of column A to 28.00. So we will simply select this one, that is the column A, right click on it and it is showing the column width, and we are supposed to make this 28.00. Or we can select this one and we will go to the format and we will simply click on the column width, this one, and we can increase it from here or can decrease it from here. So that is what required in step number 10. So next step is step number 11 now. So it is showing that the 32-inch curved monitor product is below the furniture heading. This one. This is below the furniture heading. This product belongs in the electronic area. You will move the monitor product row to be above the furniture heading. So it is basically saying that this product is in the electronics product. So we are supposed to move this into the electronic product portion. So it is saying that insert a row above the furniture heading, cut 32-inch monitor row and paste it in the range A8 H8. So we will simply first insert a new row, and you can see that we have inserted a new row above the furniture heading. Now we are supposed to select this one and cut this, and we will simply paste it here, and you can see that we have moved the curved monitor product into the electronics portion. So this is what is required in step number 11. So I have shown you 11 steps for this assignment, and total steps in this assignment are 22. Now I am going to show you the next step, that is step number 12. The worksheet title should stand out prominently on the worksheet. Merge and center the title over the range. So we are supposed to merge and center the title over this range, that is A1 up to H1. Apply the accent 1 cell style and change the font size to the 14. So I will simply select this range first. So you can see that this range has been selected, and we are supposed to merge and center this title over this range. So I will simply go to the alignment tab and go to this merge and center and click on merge and center, and you can see that the title has been merged and centered over this range, that is A1 up to H1. Now we are supposed to apply the Exp19 cell style. So I will go to the cell style and I will apply Exp19 cell style to this one. And we are supposed to change the font size to 14. Just make it 14. So that is all required in step number 12. So I have shown you 12 steps for this assignment. And for the remaining steps, I will just give you an overview and I will show you the complete version of this assignment so that you can complete the remaining steps on your own. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, you can contact me and I will do this assignment for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Let me show you the final version for this assignment so that you can have an idea about the remaining steps. So this is the final version for this assignment and you will apply all the remaining steps, then you will get a final version like this. So I have done this assignment hundreds of the time for my students and you can hire me for your complete course. Please contact me on WhatsApp or email that is showing at the bottom of the screen and make a deal for your complete course including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments and Access assignments. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences or writing assignments as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. I request you to subscribe to my channel and like my video. I will get back to you with another useful solution video. Thank you so much again.